So
సో అంటే ఒక టీచింగ్ చేద్దామని ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చిన మీకు ఫస్ట్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆఫర్ ఇచ్చింది ఎవరు?
so first acting offer, I was not thinking to go for films.
మ్హూ.
I was having a meeting with my friends in Banjara Hills, and I was going back from there, and I got to know that there is an audition happening.
ఓకే.
And because I was curious about TFI, I wanted to be part of this. I thought, let me give an audition. Let's see what happens.
ఫర్ విచ్ మూవీ?
It was Shootout at Alir web series.
ఓకే ఓకే,
Which got
ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్.
released in 2022, 2020 on Zoo 5,
ఓకే.
directed by Anand Ranga Garu. So I went, I gave my audition, and I came back.
ఓకే.
After 3-4 months, they called me. And they said, సావు గారు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు కదా, ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఆడిషన్లో వచ్చారా? So I said, yeah, I don't even remember, but I was, yeah, tell me what happened. Yeah, I remember,
చెప్పండి
yeah.
చెప్పండి
So,
చెప్పండి, గుర్తుంది.
so they said, please come to office. So I went to office. I did not know this is a well-known production, and this is the first production of Sushmita Garu, Sushmita Konidela ji. And they gave me script. They said, we are looking for this character. And honestly, I did not know this character is, the whole web series length character.
ఓ.
I mean, it is primary character. It is the best friend of villain. Akhtar, there is a lead character. He's the soft corner of Akhtar's friend circle.
యా.
Usually give audition. That time, because it was COVID, so I did not go for my haircut. So long hair.
కలిసి వచ్చింది.
Ante. So it was for plus point for me. So Anand Ranga Garu was sitting there covering mouth, and I don't know that he's Anand Ranga Garu, and he's a big personality sitting. Okay, maybe director hoga. So let's do it. I did it. They said, okay, Sahu, you turn back. Sahu, don't cut your hair. We want you like this. I said, okay, sir, fine. 10-15 days they got, call. They gave me dates. They gave me a script. And it was a character of old city's boy.
ఓల్డ్ సిటీ.
Charminar, Pakka, Kirak types. So, I mean, it was easy for me to grab that character because the first thing is language barrier was not there as a performer. So, I was more enthusiastic. Arey, chalo, kar dete bhai, kya bol rahe hain? Aisa hi karenge.
అర్రే,
So, I was very enthusiastic.
अपन का स्टाइल है.
ऐसा ही. So, I would say that was a break for me, Shootout at Alir. And you won't believe, completing half of the schedule, I did not know where I'm working.
No.
What project is this? Because I believe, Anjali ji, as an actor, I have to do justice with the character. I don't even ask people which production is this, who is the producer, what is their previous projects. I mean, you assign me for this character, and my job is to do justice with the character. Give 100%.
మీకు చెప్పిన క్యారెక్టర్ వరకు మీరు చేస్తారు. ప్రొడక్షన్ ఏదైనా సరే, డైరెక్టర్ ఎవరైనా సరే.
That's not my lookout.
ఓకే.
As a performer, I don't believe in more knowing about these things. That
సో
doesn't matter.
యోర్ యాక్టింగ్ కెరియర్, మీ యాక్టింగ్ కెరియర్ స్టార్ట్ అవడమే కొనిదెల ఫ్యామిలీ వాళ్ళతో స్టార్ట్ అయింది.
Yes, I'm blessed.
యు ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ బ్లెస్డ్.
Yes.
వచ్చేవారా సెట్స్ కి? వచ్చేవారా?
Yes. So there was a funny incident. So Shmita ji came on set. I was sitting in full swag as an actor, shot getting ready, and ante. So Shmita ji, and then Teja Kakumanu ji, he's my mentor in industry. He's playing lead character into it.
ఓకే.
So he was sitting beside me, and we both were sitting, and she came, and because Teja knows her, and I was thinking maybe somebody will be there. She said, Teja, the footages are coming very good. Daddy is liking a lot. And you both chemistry, Teja and Nazir. I was playing Nazir. So Nazir's and Teja's chemistry is coming very well. He saw raw footage. I said, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It's okay. She went. Suddenly Teja ji asked me, hey,
డు యు నో
do
హూ
you
ఇస్
know who is she? I said, yeah, maybe producer. Are, who is she? I said, sorry that I don't. She is Sushmita Konidela.
మెగాస్టార్ చిరంజీవి's డాటర్.
I was looking around. I went to ma'am. I said, ma'am, I'm a newborn baby. Please forgive me. I am learning things. I don't know people around. I'm so sorry. I was thinking like this.
ఓకే.
But she was so humble.
ఓకే.
She was so polite. She said, it's okay, Sahu. It happens. And I appreciate your genuinity. I appreciate your honesty.
ఓకే, దట్స్
So
నైస్.
this is what I'm sharing because I don't believe knowing people apart from my scene.
Mm, mm, mm.
I mean, I have to do what? I'm a director's actor.
Okay.
You tell me I'm on set. Now I don't care खाना आया नहीं आया, set पे breakfast है नहीं है, who is AD.
You are an a hungry bird of acting.
That's it. You give me character, I'll not sleep.
Okay. So coming to Brinda.
Yes.
సి అంటే లైక్ నేను ఎపిసోడ్స్ చూస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎవ్రీ ఎపిసోడ్ ఇట్ క్రియేట్స్ అన్ ఎంతూజియాజం అంటే లైక్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది అని అండ్ వెన్ యువర్ క్యారెక్టర్ స్టార్ట్ నిజంగా అంటే ఎలా అనిపించింది అంటే అరే ఏంటి ఒక మతి స్థిమితం లేని అబ్బాయిని ఎందుకు ఇట్లా చేస్తున్నారు, ఎందుకు ఇంత కష్టపెడుతున్నారు అని చెప్పేసి. సో అసలు ఆ క్యారెక్టర్ ఆఫర్ ఎలా వచ్చింది?
So I would say I'm lucky to play young Thakur. అంటే ఎందుకంటే ఇది the character I am playing, the portion Thakur's half portion I am playing is a soft corner of Thakur. Before my part start, as an audience, you hate him. You wanted him to go out of the story. You wanted him to remove from the story. He is a culprit. Ante.
He kills everyone.
I mean, he's the reason for everything. But the moment I come in the frame, you start loving Thakur.
A small jali.
Exactly, the innocent who doesn't know.
One concern మీ మీద ఉంటది జనాలకి.
I think when I got selected for Thakur, Surya Garu, Navi, Munna, Faniji, these are ADs, Anil. They used to set me, again and again in workshop. They did a kind of workshop for me.
Okay.
Because they were not in confidence. They were not, in that confident that Sahu will be able to pull it because it was a Telugu content. But I used to say them, give me scene. I'll perform. You see the performance. You see the emotion. If you feel there is a 1% scope, I'll work on Telugu and I will perform again.
Okay. Nice.
That is what Surya ji found, that if he's telling me 1%, I think Sahu can pull that to 50, 60, 80%. And that is what we do in the office. They used to call me. I used to go with one scene. Every meeting, one scene. They used to give me, Sahu, today we'll do this scene. Read it, prepare it, come. I used to go, used to perform in kitchens. We used to perform outside the washroom gate.
Oh.
There are few scenes, if you see in Brinda, Thakur is crying inside and chala bhayapadutundi. And Satya is calling, come out. Nobody will hurt you.
Yeah.
So that
the first time that you both met.
Yes. So those were the scenes we used to perform in. We used to try to perform in the exact scenario around our office.